So what's up, guys? And we're back, and it's Michael from How Does I Hacks. I kind of ran. No, not really. Oh well, kind of did. Anyway, so yeah, we're back for episode number 3 of our HTML and CSS tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to add more stuff to the body. For right now, we're pretty much done with the header, or with the head. Um, Head isn't really used for as much when you're actually building the website. It's more used later on once you're done and you need to add all the other garbage to websites that takes it's stupid. Anyway, so um anyway, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how to add more stuff to the body. So we're gonna go right here to the body. We're gonna delete this right here. Okay, so um first thing we're gonna be going over is titles. How to make like a title for something. So let's say I wanted to say like have like the title be like this is a title. It's not really called a title in HTML. It's called a header, but a title is a header. It's confusing. Anyway, but that's what it's mainly used for. So, and then we'll have this is information. Information. Anyway, so for the title, what you want to do is you want to put a header tag around it. And to do that, you just put an H and then you put a 1. Now, there are 6 different types of headers by default. H1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. It goes like that. And so for this one, we're going to be doing H1, and then we'll do H3, just so you guys can see the difference. And then this is a title also. And we'll just end that with slash. I had to go and end that top title, now that I look at it. Slash, and then we'll do one more. We'll just put blah in here, and then H6. This is a title 2. 2 or 2? I don't care. And then we'll just end that with H6. And so now we have 3 titles and some information in each one. Tier. Oh, anyway, so let's go and look at what that looks like. Refresh the page, and as you can see, so this is H1, and you can see that's big. That's a lot bigger than the default text. This is, and it also makes it a lot bolder too. This is H3, and this is H1. H1 is actually smaller than default text. But so yeah, this is what you use to make titles in your website. And so now that you make titles in your website, let's just delete this open stuff right here. We don't need any of this extra room. It's just so it's easier to read. So now, let's just say, now the next tag I'm going to be teaching you guys about is the paragraph tag. And now you guys are probably saying, oh, why do I need a paragraph tag when I can just type in information like this? So let's say I want my first sentence to say paragraph 1, right? And then I want my second one to say paragraph 2. Alright, so why you don't want to do this? Okay, so as you can see, it actually just put it on the same line as this tiri one. And it puts them all on the same line. And you're like, oh, crap, but I put an enter here. Well, what's it called? HTML is white space insensitive. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Pretty much, it doesn't read all this white stuff. It doesn't care about its spacing because the website just reads it as one continuous line of code, and so all this extra spaces and stuff, they don't do anything. So what a paragraph tag, and to use a paragraph tag, you just put a P inside the brackets and end it with a slash P. What a paragraph tag does is it says, okay, this needs to be on its own separate line because inside of here is a chunk of information, a paragraph, and so we will just do this. And we will save it. And we will refresh it. And as you can see now, it puts on its own separate line. It makes it a lot easier. And now the third one is, let's say you have a paragraph, right? And let's just go look up something awesome. Let's something really long. News. We're just gonna go and copy a paragraph, something out of the news. Okay, go. Give us 1 second. CNN.com. while that happens, we will set this up while that loads. And so we will just do /p right here to show that there's a paragraph in there. And so now let's say I download this little. Ugh, man, it's laggy for kinda. Why, dude? This thing. Okay, that works. Yeah, sure. Why not? Come on, load. Okay. Okay. Why isn't it selecting all this? Probably because I'm recording and doing other shit. Wow, God, this website sucks. Screw this. My computer's not that good either. It's not this website mainly. Okay, let's try one more anyway, so let's just put all this information here, right? And so if I throw all this information in there, it's not going to be, 1 second. Pretty sure if I press Shift Tab, it'll tab it all over. Yeah, if you wonder what I just did, if you grab a bunch of information, instead of just going, okay, I want to do tab right here, you can just highlight a bunch of information, like so, and just press tab, and it tabs all over. Just a neat little trick. So you're like, okay, I just want all this information right here in this, right? But as you can see, it just puts it all together. And that's not what you want. You want it to be, because that's hard to read. What if there's a bunch of different like little paragraphs inside one? What if you're doing an essay? So this tag we're going to use is called the break tag. What the break tag does, and it's just BR and then a slash at the end. Pretty sure that's it. If I'm wrong, it's been a while. Remember, BR. Well, it means a line break. What that does is it just adds a, what's it called there? It adds a line break wherever that is. So we'll save it and refresh it. Yeah, see, it adds a little line break right there. And that little dash, the slash after, it's not necessary. It just shows that this tag right here doesn't require a second, like a closing tag. It doesn't require one. I mean, you could do a /br tag, but it's not necessary. So yeah, as you can see, it separates everything into its own little paragraph. Makes it a little easier to read. And so, just think really quickly. I'm pretty sure that's everything I want to cover this episode. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys next episode. And peace. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. See you guys next episode. Peace.